The language of flowers, a timeless tradition. Flowers have always held a special place in our hearts. They speak a universal language of love, joy, and celebration. It's no wonder that flowers play such a pivotal role in weddings. They transform venues into enchanted gardens. They add a touch of magic to this special day. Choosing the right wedding flowers is a deeply personal decision. There are so many options available. You have endless possibilities for shapes, colors, and sizes. Two popular choices stand out: fresh flowers and silk flowers. Each option has its own unique charm and practical considerations. In today's video, we'll delve into the enchanting world of wedding flowers. We will explore the pros and cons of fresh and silk blooms. I'll share expert tips to help you make the best choice for your perfect day. Whether you dream of fragrant garden roses or everlasting lilies, your wedding flowers should reflect your unique love story. Let's embark on this floral journey together. We'll discover how to make your wedding day even more unforgettable. Ah, fresh flowers. They have an undeniable allure. Their natural beauty is captivating. Their delicate petals and intoxicating scents create a truly immersive experience. Imagine walking down the aisle surrounded by the sweet aroma of gardenias or the invigorating scent of lilies. It's simply magical. Fresh flowers evoke a sense of romance and enchantment. They connect us to nature's beauty. Think about the vibrant hues of sunflowers. Consider the delicate blush of peonies. Each bloom tells a story. Each one adds a touch of elegance to your wedding decor. Beyond their beauty, fresh flowers carry symbolic meaning. For centuries, different cultures have associated specific flowers with love, prosperity, and happiness. For example, roses symbolize love and passion. Calla lilies represent purity and elegance. Incorporating these meaningful blooms into your wedding adds a deeper layer of significance to your celebration. There's something truly special about fresh flowers. They transform your wedding day into a sensory delight. While fresh flowers are undeniably stunning, they do come with their share of challenges. One of the biggest drawbacks is their cost. Fresh flowers are a significant investment. Their prices fluctuate depending on the season, availability, and type of flower. Another concern is their fragility. Fresh flowers are delicate. They require careful handling and specific storage conditions. They can wilt easily, especially in warm weather. This fragility can create logistical challenges, especially for destination weddings or outdoor ceremonies. Timing is everything with fresh flowers. You'll need to coordinate closely with your florist. The flowers must be delivered and arranged close to the wedding day. This tight schedule can add stress to your already busy planning process. Despite these challenges, there are ways to mitigate the risks. Choose hardier blooms that can withstand warmer temperatures. Consider using in-season flowers, which are often more affordable and readily available. With careful planning and communication, you can still enjoy the beauty of fresh flowers on your wedding day. Now let's talk about silk flowers. They've come a long way from their artificial-looking predecessors. Today's silk flowers are incredibly realistic. They offer a beautiful and practical alternative to fresh blooms. One of the biggest advantages of silk flowers is their durability. They can withstand heat, humidity, and even the occasional mishap. This resilience makes them perfect for destination weddings. They're also a great option for couples who want to preserve their wedding bouquet as a keepsake. Silk flowers are also incredibly cost-effective. They are significantly less expensive than their fresh counterparts. This affordability allows you to create lavish floral arrangements without breaking the bank. You can splurge on other aspects of your wedding decor or honeymoon fund. Another advantage of silk flowers is their reusability. You can repurpose your wedding flowers for other events. You can even use them to decorate your home after the big day. This eco-friendly aspect appeals to environmentally conscious couples. The illusion of authenticity. Limitations of silk flowers. While silk flowers offer numerous advantages, they do have some limitations. The most notable drawback is the lack of natural fragrance. That intoxicating scent of fresh blooms is absent in silk flowers. Another potential downside is the appearance. While today's silk flowers are incredibly realistic, they may not always capture the subtle nuances and textures of fresh blooms. Some silk flowers might look too perfect or lack the natural variations found in nature. When choosing silk flowers, it's crucial to select high-quality blooms. Look for realistic colors, textures, and details. Work with a reputable florist who specializes in silk flower arrangements. Despite these limitations, silk flowers offer a beautiful and practical alternative to fresh blooms. With careful selection and arrangement, they can create stunning and memorable wedding decor. A harmonious blend combining fresh and silk flowers. Here's a secret. You don't have to choose between fresh and silk flowers. Combining both types of blooms allows you to enjoy the best of both worlds. You can create a harmonious blend of natural beauty and practicality. For example, you could use fresh flowers for the bridal bouquet and centerpieces, where their fragrance and delicate beauty will be most appreciated. Then incorporate silk flowers into larger installations, such as ceremony arches or reception backdrops, where their durability and cost-effectiveness are advantageous. Another option is to mix fresh and silk flowers within the same arrangement. Use fresh greenery and filler flowers to add texture and fragrance. Then incorporate silk blooms for the focal points, where their perfect appearance will shine. By combining fresh and silk flowers, you can personalize your wedding decor while staying within your budget and logistical constraints. The price of beauty comparing costs. Let's talk numbers. Fresh flower arrangements for a wedding can range from $2,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on the types and quantities of flowers used. Silk flower arrangements, on the other hand, typically cost 30 to 50% less than their fresh counterparts. Here's a simple cost comparison. A bridal bouquet made with fresh flowers typically ranges from $200 to $1,000, while a silk version usually costs between $80 and $250. Bridesmaids' bouquets with fresh flowers often fall between $70 and $120, whereas silk options range from $35 to $65. For ceremony decorations, fresh floral setups can cost between $500 and $1,800, while silk alternatives usually range from $250 to $850. When it comes to reception centerpieces, fresh flowers can run anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on the size and number of tables, while silk centerpieces typically range from $500 to $2,500. Keep in mind that these are only estimates. Actual costs may vary based on your location, your chosen florist, the specific flowers you select, the number of floral varieties included, and whether your blooms are in season or out of season. Making the right choice. Factors to consider. When deciding between fresh, silk, or a combination of both flowers, consider your personal preferences, wedding style, and logistical factors. If you're drawn to the intoxicating fragrance and natural beauty of fresh blooms, prioritize them for key elements like your bouquet and centerpieces. If budget is a concern, consider incorporating silk flowers into your decor. They offer a beautiful and affordable alternative to fresh blooms. For destination weddings or outdoor ceremonies in warm weather, silk flowers offer durability and peace of mind. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that reflects your vision, priorities, and budget. Your wedding, your flowers, a reflection of you. Your wedding flowers are more than just decorations. They are an expression of your love story, personal style, and the emotions you want to evoke on your special day. Whether you choose fresh silk or a combination of both, select flowers that resonate with you. Let them tell your unique story and create a magical ambiance for your wedding celebration. So tell me, what type of flowers are you drawn to for your dream wedding? Share your thoughts and inspirations in the comments below.